Okay, this is OK Chief 420, and I'm going to show you how to cook a Chicago pizza here in Texas. First thing you want to do is buy one. Then you're going to want to open the box, take out the pizza. Yes, look at delicious. Oh, so good. And then you're going to want to insert the pizza into the oven. I like to put it on the rack because it gets it nice and toasty. And close the door, you're done. Wait about 40 minutes and you will be in bliss. And this is OK Chief 420 on how to cook a pizza, a Chicago style pizza in Texas.